Good morning, everybody. We're live here from the #Slavik Century Restoration Project. We only have a couple hours left of work on this particular project. The house is completely restored and we're just working on the deck. We sanded this morning, we cleaned, we blowed off, and now we're staining. So I thought I would show you how a craftsman and a pro stains a deck, and we finish decks like we care about them. Up here in Minnesota, it's very tough here. You know, it can get 105, it can get -50, snow, rain, sleet, everything in between. So even yesterday, I got hit up at the paint store from a local person here that said, you know, I want to use a pump sprayer. I want to spray this stuff on my deck. I want to save the time for brushing it. You will not save that much time brushing it. So I thought I would show you how a craftsman does this. All right, so we work in teams here. One person inside, one person outside. We're using a brand new product from Cabot, Cabot Gold. This is the oak color that they have, and we're working that oil into this deck all by hand. We keep a wet edge moving from right to left here, so we don't have any drip marks, anything else like that. We completely soak the wood to saturation, and then we make sure there's no drips left. You can see here, this is my partner without a partner here. I'll be back there to help him out. And then we got the other team over here working on the back side of the hot tub and the deck here. So they'll be moving across here. So we have from the left side, from the right side, everybody will converge right here on the stairs, and then we will all do the floor together. It's a nice cool morning here, probably 50, 52 degrees, and couldn't be better. Completely still, ready to go here. So, Ask a Painter today will be live at noon. Any questions you guys have, especially now that we're into the exterior season, something about historic restoration like I did to my own house, new construction, we have decks, tons of deck questions all the time, and I'll be collecting those and doing that. If you're a contractor, if you want to know anything about the entrepreneurial spirit, my apprenticeship program, other business-to-business questions like that, I'll be here live at noon today to answer all of your questions. So we'll see you then.